Did you like that? I don't think so. Is this the way we clap when you like something? I'm still not happy. What you guys are doing is what is called British clapping. You first take care, shirt ki istri kharab na ho. I mean, at 7 o'clock, you're clapping like this. I can't imagine what will happen when we read the vote of thanks. I mean, after some time, it's going to be like this. After half an hour, it's going to be like... And by the time we reach vote of thanks, sabne karna zaruri nahi hai, tum karo bahut hai. This is not the way we celebrate. I'm going to teach you how to celebrate. And if you really love our children, if you really love this show, you have to celebrate like that. With all the love, all the power, all the enthusiasm. It has to be stereophonic clapping. Are you all ready? Yes. It is a bit uncivilized, but then after some time, you'll get used to it. You're supposed to clap like this. Yeah! With this. Come on, let's try. 1, 2, 3, come on. One more practice, one more, come on. 1, 2, 3, come on. You're supposed to celebrate like that, yes. If you really love it, you're supposed to celebrate like that. Okay. You must be wondering what this whole thing is all about, because some of you must have come here by reading the posters, you've got the invitations. What is this Hamara Gaurav all about, and what is this special person? What is so special about Gaurav? In fact, if I have to define it, I would say inspiration, persistence, determination, hard work, perspiration, all personified is Gaurav. But I know words cannot explain what I'm trying to say. And we couldn't have done it just by words. So we went to the length of making a full 10 minutes audiovisual presentation to let you know what Gaurav is all about. So take a look and then we'll go ahead.
A very warm welcome to all the ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear a very interesting story. Like all other stories, this story too starts with: once upon a time there was a king and there was a queen. They lived in a very sweet palace of 3-bedroom home in New Delhi. So meet the king, Gopal Sejpal, and the queen, Geeta Sejpal. They had 2 daughters, Sandhya and Vibha. Cut to 25th July 1980, time 11:55 a.m. Scene in the Indian Parliament. Gyani Zail Singh is taking the oath as the President of India. Seen at the Holy Family Hospital, New Delhi, Gopal is ecstatic because his wife Geeta has just delivered a healthy baby boy. Cut to the Sejpal residence. The 2 sisters, one 10-year-old and the other 9-year-old, are overjoyed by the news that they will now have a live walkie-talkie doll to play with. This young fellow soon became the apple of everyone's eyes. His parents, his sisters, his relatives. Do you know why he was named Gaurav? Well, it was because his sisters had a crush on the popular film actor of the time, Kumar Gaurav. As the time went by, however, his parents started noticing that somehow Gaurav seemed to be a little different than other children. His milestones were delayed, and his physical features seemed to suggest that all may not be well with him. A medical test at AIIMS Delhi gave the final verdict: Gaurav has Down syndrome. Friends, Down syndrome is a genetic disorder with no cure. So if a child is born with it, he will grow up to be different from others in brain development. For the best development of such a child, what he needs is a nurturing, loving, and supportive environment. Once the parent accepted this fact, they took up the challenge thrown to them by God. They treated Gaurav as normal as possible. The entire family, the relatives, friends, everyone treated Gaurav as the integral part of the family. Geeta attended all possible seminars and workshops to gather as much as information as she could. Both the sisters too helped out in whatever way they could. Soon Gaurav's hidden talent started evolving. He was found to be very good at music, dance and mimicry. Once the music was on, he could dance for hours and hours without feeling tired. Sending him to dance classes like the Irfan ZR2 and the Shamak Dawan Institute resulted in Gaurav performing in numerous stage shows. Guys, He has performed till date in more than 100 shows. So let's have a glimpse on his glorious journey to success.
यारों जी भर के झीले पल लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा यारों जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा यारों जी भर के झीले पल लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा यारों जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा है जुनून सा जीने में है जुनून सा सीने में है जुनून सा जीने में है जुनून सा सीने में ना 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 कहीं जैसे कोई धुन बजे राहों में देखो है मंजर सजे सारे हम जहां में हर जगह सपने सजाने की हमको मिली वजह कहीं जैसे कोई धुन बजे राहों में देखो है मंजर सजे सारे हम जहां में हर जगह सपने सजाने की हमको मिली वजह ये अगर जो सच नहीं तो सच भला है क्या अपने हिसाब से दिल की किताब पे कुछ तो नया लिखो यारों अनजानों की फिक्र ना करती ये उम्र फिर क्यों भला डरो है जुनून सा जीने में है जुनून सा सीने में है जुनून है जुनून कभी जो मिलेंगे रास्ते पल में ही चमकेगी हंसी पुरानी तो कहो क्या कहोगे फिर हमें कैसे छुपाओगे नमी ये पलकों की कभी जो मिलेंगे रास्ते पल में ही चमकेगी हंसी पुरानी तो कहो क्या कहोगे हमें कैसे छुपाओगे नमी ये पलकों की ये पता है क्या हुआ है क्यों पता जी भर के जीले पल लगता है आजकल दौर अपना